This is VIVO T1 Pro, and today I will show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then go for the Accounts category and remove all Google accounts you have. Then get back to the main Settings menu, go for Google, Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teen, Next. Now you will need to sign into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that. Onwards, select the Google account of your child you have just signed into from the list and input credentials for another Google account, this time yours, or parental one rather. After you do that, you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page, where you will need to input the child's Google account password once again, then tap at the Agree button. At the dialog window that follows, tap at the Allow option and wait for the child and parent accounts to get linked. Then you gotta hit the Next button. Over here you can turn off some of the apps that are already installed on your child's phone, or you will be also able to do that later on as well. So I think there is no need to stop at this step right now. The same can be said about filters and settings. So if you want to, you can set them up right now, and if you don't, just don't. Now you can just go for the skip option, skip once again, and the child's end of things was successfully finished, or well, finalized. Now you will need to take your parental device or whatever device you wanted to use to supervise your child and download the Family Link app from the Google Play Store. Here is the app, so let's quickly get it. Launch the app once it is ready, then make sure to sign in with the parental account over here, and here is the full list of controls you have an access to. You can also monitor your child's location and see the child's device usage highlights. So that will be it as far as setting up parental controls on this phone goes. We highly appreciate your attention, thanks for watching, and bye bye.